WRAL Investigates is asking why North Carolina Central University arrested several people during a peaceful protest on campus. We asked administrators why those people were taken into custody and why the university says the protesters were not allowed on campus, especially since the school is a public university. WRAL Investigates' Sarah Kruger is live on campus with some of those answers. Sarah?
Gerald, North Carolina Central is a public university, so their explanation that people had to be invited here to campus stood out to me. I've now talked to multiple attorneys on camera and off who say that sounds like a possible violation of constitutional rights.
5 people arrested during a protest on NCCU's campus. In a statement, the university saying the event was organized by a group not affiliated with the university, and as such, they were not allowed on campus, stating such individuals and groups must be sponsored or invited by an official university or registered student organization.
Do you think it is constitutional for a public university to restrict who can come onto their campus and protest?
I don't.
Daniel Meyer is an attorney in Durham.
To say strangers can't come on campus unless there's some tie just seems to smack of a violation of the First Amendment, because you have the right to assemble in public places.
I asked NCCU why the individuals were not welcome, even though it's a public university, and the protesters included people affiliated with NCCU. Central is part of the UNC system, which has a policy on free speech and free expression. It says university members can assemble as long as it doesn't substantially disrupt the functioning of the school. Meyer says Central could break up a protest on those grounds, yet that is not what they cited. Precedent from other schools in the system shows outside groups can and do protest on campus, as was the case several years ago with many protests around a Confederate statue at UNC Chapel Hill.
The First Amendment is broad. Protest groups can come to a public place and protest.
And I reached out to the UNC system. A spokesperson tells me they do believe that NCCU's policies are in alignment with theirs. I am still awaiting any kind of a response from Central itself. Sarah Kruger, WRAL News, live in Durham.